Ano, sa ko na nagulan. Nipis ang ginapin niya ito. Nipis. Chicks and Rio. Go to my Patreon if you want to see chicks. Hi Adams Capello, you are from? Ah, Philippine. You like? No. Yeah. Hello, Richard Andrew Crosby. You from? Shout out to you. I don't know how to speak Russian, only English. English. Ano akong headband ay? 50. Maganda ka. Ito, Taiwanese. Yan. Ang good sa nung... Cellphone na niyo piling. Yeah. Hi to my 82 viewers. Hello. Makmak is... Please. No, I don't have ear cleaning challenge. I have my bathing challenge. Yeah. Papa Pinay. Richard, are you from? Hello, Jason Hawkins. Hey, girl, say hi to me. Hi to you, Jason Hawkins. You're watching from? I'm very happy that you visit to my live. First time. Shout out to Jason Hawkins. Hi to my 99 viewers and Rabena Emil. Hi, Idol. Hello, Rabena Emil. You are girl or boy? You wanna come to America? Why you ask? If you sponsor me, I wanna come to America. America. Welcome to America. California. Hi to Ecoline Brothers Yamaha. PH. I am from Philippines. Pabuyag Raco de Rejos. Hahaha. Ecoline Brothers. I'm gonna shout out sa'yo. Thank you for spending time on my live. Well done for you. Philippines. Yeah, I speak English, but actually I'm Bisaya. But I learned English, but not much. I can speak. Because you're so good to come be with me. Money isn't problem. Don't you love American men? It depends upon the situation, Hawkins. Are you come to the Philippines if you like to meet? First, we know each other before I'm going there. Saan po na, idol? Musta ka dyan? Saan po na, idol? Sa bahay, sa Mindanao.